Robotic system mechanical structure. Robotic systems consist of physical components like arms, wheels, joints, and other mechanisms designed to enable movement and manipulation. Sensors. They use various sensors, such as cameras, LiDAR, ultrasonic, infrared, etc., to perceive the environment and gather data crucial for decision-making. Actuators. These are the components responsible for physical movement in a robot, such as motors, hydraulics, or pneumatics. Actuators execute commands based on the robot's decision-making. Control systems. Robotics relies on control systems that manage and regulate the flow of data between sensors, processors, and actuators, ensuring coordinated and precise movement. Programming and software. Robots are programmed using specialized software. This includes high-level programming languages and frameworks that define how the robot behaves and interacts with its environment. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Many modern robots integrate AI and ML algorithms to learn from data, adapt to new situations, make decisions, and improve their performance over time. Human-machine interaction. This involves interfaces or methods allowing humans to interact with robots, which can include physical controls, voice commands, gestures, or more complex interfaces like natural language processing. Applications. Robotic systems find applications in various fields, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, space exploration, military, entertainment, and domestic tasks. Autonomy levels. Robots can operate at different autonomy levels, from fully autonomous, requiring no human intervention, to semi-autonomous, needing occasional human input or supervision. Safety measures. Robotic systems implement safety features to prevent accidents or harm to humans or the environment. This includes sensors, emergency stop buttons, and fail-safes. Maintenance and upkeep. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep robots operational. This involves checking hardware, updating software, replacing parts, and ensuring overall system reliability. Ethical and social implications. The development and use of robots raise ethical questions regarding job displacement, privacy concerns, the impact on society, and the responsibility behind the actions of autonomous systems.